Why is construction site communication with emergency services so difficult? Imagine trying to call for help on a busy construction site where everything is constantly changing. It can be like trying to find a needle in a haystack. That's why communication with emergency services often faces big hurdles. Construction sites are huge and spread out, with many different areas and levels. When an incident happens, responders need quick, accurate details about what's going on and where. But site layouts change as work progresses, making it tough to pinpoint exact locations fast. Workers and supervisors might be scattered across different zones, and without clear signs or maps, emergency teams can get lost or delayed. Another problem is the way construction teams communicate, many relying on radios, mobile phones, or informal messages. These tools aren't always connected or reliable during emergencies. For example, a worker might have a phone with a dead battery or a radio that doesn't reach certain parts of the site. Email and phone trees are too slow when every second counts. Plus, contact lists often aren't updated, especially for temporary workers or subcontractors, which can cause delays in alerting everyone. Language barriers also make things harder. Construction crews are often diverse, with workers speaking different languages. If emergency instructions aren't clear or translated properly, confusion can happen. Without simple, multilingual instructions and clear roles, responders and workers might not understand each other during a crisis. This can slow down rescue efforts or cause mistakes. Emergency services may not know the site well either. They might not be familiar with the layout, hazards, or access points. If they haven't coordinated with site managers beforehand, response times can be longer. They may not know the safest routes or where the emergency is located, which can be dangerous. From a career point of view in construction, these issues highlight why having solid emergency procedures is so important. Keeping contact information up to date, practicing drills, and using reliable communication tools like two-way radios or digital alert systems can make a big difference. Building good relationships with local emergency services before incidents happen helps responders understand the site better. This way, they can act faster and safer when emergencies occur. In the end, the physical size of the site, the dispersed workforce, outdated or incompatible communication tools, language differences, and lack of prior coordination all make it hard to communicate quickly with emergency services. Addressing these challenges with clear procedures, modern technology, and regular training can greatly improve safety and response times on construction sites.